Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic Z from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your love and work forecast for April for Cancers. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Cancer, this reading is for you. If you know a Cancer, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Subscribe because you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. One person is selected for a free reading, so friends, make sure to subscribe, like and share, and don't forget this is a don't forget to check out your April charms reading. I have done both in English and Hindi Urdu version, so you can check that out. And let's see. Let's see, friends, for Cancers. This is a general reading, may or may not resonate, friends. So let's see the theme of the month for Cancers. I'll not take it because I want to shuffle the cards a bit. For Cancers, theme of the month for April for Cancers. What's the theme? We're going to look at your love and work life. Ooh, the Hanged Man. Okay, the deck is reversal. The Hanged Man and the Karma. Oh my god. Cancers, this is a slow month for you, so get ready. I do feel that something you feel a bit stuck. You're feeling a bit frustrated about a situation, but I think there is a divine purpose for that situation. So definitely, if things are stuck, or you feel stuck, or you feel blocked, there is a purpose for it. And the purpose is, I think, that in April you are going to get the patience rewarded, your hard work paying off. So yes, karma, blessings are coming for your way. And I do feel like there is something that's that is causing you to take this month will make you feel like, reflect, take some time off to focus on other things in life. This is a slower month for you, Cancers, but in a good way. Like, it will help. The slowness will help you. Magician, oh my god, you have all the major arcana. So definitely this is a month of manifestations. This is a month of connecting with your power, Cancers. You are very powerful. So if you want something, or if you desire something, love, work, career, you can manifest it, friends. Yes, you are very, very strong. And I do feel that, you will want to hurry this month, you will want to make this month very quick. But some things will make it, some things will be slow to happen this month for you, Cancers. But don't worry, because this is how the divine plan is in your life. If you are stuck, if you are feeling stuck in a situation, it will be resolved by the mid of this month or the end of this month. So congratulations, and you are very powerful, Cancers. You can manifest something new, you can manifest a new job, a new relationship, or healing of finances, or love, or your health. You can manifest anything. I also feel that for some of you, you are waiting for justice to happen. Maybe it's a legal case or some sort of a situation where justice has not yet happened. You have worked hard, but you were not given your success. So that is going to happen in the month of April for you. So very nice, Cancers, very nice. Justice will happen. You getting your hard work, your patience paying off. So let's see who is coming in love for Cancers. Who is coming in love for Cancers in April? Three of Cups, new friendships. Five of Cups, someone is missing you. Let's see. All right, so I definitely see that someone from the past is coming back, someone who lost you, someone who is in no contact, long distance from you. I also feel this could be this somebody could be a friend also, or someone you were friend zoned with, or you were just friends with, or you just know through friends and family. That person is coming towards you, and I do see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or someone which is very romantic is coming towards you in April. Lovely. I do see, Cancer, someone very romantic is coming your way, and they want to share their feelings. They want to share their heart for to you. And Two of Wands. Yes, this person wanna be. They are changing. They were immature in the past. They were behaving stupidly, but I do see a change in them now, and that's why they are coming back or returning back to you to tell you that they have changed. They are more mature, they are more stable now. Maybe this person put you in a third party, or they were very casual in the past with you. That's why, justice is here, karma is here. Like, They need to tell you something. They need to tell you that their feelings and affections were honest. They were not playing games with you, so that's why they are coming back. Let's see what will happen in your love life, Cancers. Let's see. Page of Cups. So yeah, I do. Oh my God, Knight of Wands, and I do see a lot of people coming your way in April. Yes, I do see someone from the past. I also see someone new also coming your way. Someone who is a friend or a colleague, someone from social media trying to reach out and impress you, Cancer. So get ready for that. And the Queen of Cups. So I do see a lot of people are important in the first week of April. Eight of Swords. How Cancer's love life will be in April. All right, you have Justice again. Oh my God. Oh my God. You have the Justice and the Judgment. All right. Okay. So I see that for some of you friends, there are two lovers coming towards you, someone from the past and someone new. For others, I feel like this is like your relationships are affected by third party or external people, family or friends in the first week of April. I also feel that in the second week of April, you may feel very frustrated or burdened by your love relationships, or even by your lover. You may feel like they keep putting the blame on you, or you don't have much choice in this situation right now, or they will behave like, I don't know what to do, how do I change it, I want to marry you, but this and that, and so there you will feel frustrated, they will feel a bit frustrated in the second week. But I see options will be opening up in the third week for you. Communications will open up for you, Cancers, in the third week of April. There will be choices, there will be decisions, and for some of you, you may leave a, past lover behind, and some of you will take very important decisions this month, which will be long term decisions. You may take your time, I would suggest you to take your time in making some quick decisions. Don't do that, because if you are married and you want to leave that connection, that you should take think before doing that. I would say that, because these are long term decisions, they will affect you for life, so you should think. Again, I feel like in the third week, there are choices for you, there are decisions for you, there are also communications and breakthroughs happening for you. So, yes, that's interesting. And let's see what else. The final week is very again emotional for you. I do see that you will try to patch up with somebody, but still, if they are not behaving well, if they are still confusing you, I do see this could be a twin flame connection or a marriage for some of you. If your person still continues to behave badly or just confuse you or give you mixed signals, you will gonna draw your line and you're gonna put your sword down, Cancers, and you're like, nope, I'm done. So I do see some legal victories, I do see some spiritual victories for you, Cancers, and I do see that whatever is happening is very important in your love life. So you may feel a desire to run out of these things, and for apologies to come in or for justice to happen. Everything is happening, but just be a little patient, Cancers, because patience is a virtue this month for you. Yes, Hanged Man, the justice, the Judgment, and the Magician, you can manifest something beautiful is manifesting for you in this month. So just be a little bit patient. It won't all sometimes in April you may feel like things are too confusing, things are too bad, you want quick solutions, but quick solutions won't be, quick fixes won't work long term. Yes, see, ultimately you will have the success in your love life. Ultimately, you are going to achieve success. Maybe you will achieve a legal victory, or if you are waiting for a past lover, yes, they're gonna reach out to you. Or if you are single waiting for new love, yes, it's gonna happen. Sacral chakra, your creativity is very high. So definitely, there will be a sexual chemistry in your connections. There will also be, talks of hope, talks of long term commitment. Also, you can manifest someone, if you are trying to manifest, you will be very, very lucky. You will get exactly what you want. So, keep manifesting, friends. Let's see, solar plexus. Yeah, jealousy is also there, competition, jealousy. Insecurities are also affecting your love life 2 and 3. So, yeah, you're going through a major transformation, major shifts, cancers. You have to be patient in your love life, stand your ground. Yes, I do see, like, people are trying to take advantage of you or your good nature, cancers. Don't let that happen. Don't let that happen. You will have to put your sword down. But yes, at the same time, be very careful in making long term decisions. Yes, put your sword down, put your feet down, say no to any sort of. Cheating or any sort of mixed signals. Yes, you can say no, but also keep in mind that long term decisions, you have the time to make long term decisions. Solitude, see. Yeah, I do feel that someone will be returning towards you because they miss you, they feel lonely without you, but I don't think so. They have changed a lot, or they will pretend well, or you will have to give them a chance to see where it goes. But I do see that things will be more clear to you by the end of this month of April. So, yeah, you will have to choose wisely, Cancers. Choose wisely. There are many options available for you, but all of these options have long term results for you. So, yes, let's see how your work and career will be for Cancers in the month of April. Okay. Hope, yes, I see you are busy with your work. I see definitely working, learning something new, working on a new business or a deal. Yes, you are a workaholic this month. You are very much working all day, all night. I see that. And some of you may also be scared about your work, in the sense, like, are you capable of starting a new business? Are you capable of taking that promotion, clearing that exams? Don't let that stop you, Cancers, because a triumphant success, yes, you'll be successful. You're going to achieve whatever you want to achieve this month. Any goals you set yourself in work, business, studies, or career, you're gonna achieve it. I also see some of you could be giving or starting some work online, and it will be very successful for you. And it may be challenging at the same time, like you have never done this thing, online work or learning something new. It's challenging, but you're gonna be very successful at it. Hope, yes, stay hopeful. Things are going to work out in your career. Money is coming. Yes, I do see some of you are waiting for money. It is coming your way. You have been waiting since a long time. And positive movement forward, yes. Eight of Wands, I do see this month you are very busy with communications of all sorts in your work and education. So lots of communications are coming your way. Get ready, Cancers. This is a powerful month for you. You can manifest anything you like, and loads again, success, triumph. My God, you're very successful this month, and also you might be traveling for work or for education or for exams, and it will bring you success. I also see, if you are stuck in a bad job, things will get better. If you are stuck in a no job situation, you will find some sort of a job, or maybe a temporary part time job or something. So, money is coming, or you will learn something which will help you to earn money in the coming weeks. So, get ready, Cancers. Okay. For Cancers, let's see. All right. So, Tulip, great passion. So, definitely this month you are very passionate about your career, your future, and making some strong decisions. You want that. Strong, confident, and bold you. July is important for some of you. Peacock, be aware of great pride. Yeah, I do feel someone is behaving a little stupidly or very in pride and arrogant manner with you, but I think justice will be done for you, so don't worry. Pig, be aware of greed. Yeah, I do feel you are a workaholic this month, Cancer. So take care of your health. Don't forget, to sleep and take care of your health. Celebrations, fun, and enjoyment. Yes. Fun and happy times are coming your way. Star, success is coming. Guaranteed success is coming. Mice. Discord among friends or family. Yeah, I told you there are people affecting your love life, whether it is friends, third party, family, or distance. Yes, things are affecting your love life. August is important, July and August. Wheel. um, Indecision allowing your life. Yeah, there are certain decisions you need to take this month in April, but remember, cancers, you have all the time you need, so don't worry. Again, any decisions you take, you will be successful. There is a sunrise, a fresh start is coming for you. Lightning, control your anger or you'll be sorry. And a reconciliation, I told you someone is coming from the past, Cancer. So that's it for now. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.